Alright guys, I'm back with the bottom end, and if you guys remember, I had this, if I can get it to focus, this bolt came back and stripped everything out, so I've been searching for a tap, finally found one, so we're going to go ahead and give her a try. Take her back and forth. Those threads all nice and good. For anybody wondering, the correct tap size is a 10 by 1.25, and the die is also the 10 by 1.25. For anybody that couldn't figure that one out. She's going. It's savable. Oh man, that's an amazing feeling. Don't ever try and just run bolts back through them or anything like that. It is not worth it. If I ran a bolt right through that, it'd cause more problems in the end. I'd probably have to put a $300 crank in here. Instead, I went and I bought a $5 tap. I have a die kit that has the right die in it. I'm not running right over that bolt, and it'll be fine. Alright guys, so got the die right here. I don't know if you can read it. M10 1.25, same as what the last one was. I'm just gonna go ahead and run it down it. Alright guys, so back with the bike, and it probably looks a little bit different. If you guys watched the end of the last video, I only had the swing arm, the triple clamps, and the forks on. Now I got the back brake, wheel, front wheel. Go ahead and get my rental bars on. Alright guys, so got the bars on. I ordered new grips, clutch, lever, and cable, and I bought a new throttle cable when I bought the bike, and new brake lever also, so she's starting to come together. Just gotta finish this engine up. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video.